How to fix geometry dash crashing on iOS 17. Let's get started. Open your settings. The very first thing you want to do is check your network connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, open it. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or also what you can do is click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to, click on forget this network and rejoin it. Likewise, in the case you are using cellular data, open the option mobile service. Open the option mobile data options. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of low data mode and make sure you have set it to 4G. Likewise, you can switch the network connection. In the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, and in the case you are using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. After you do that, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings, scroll down, open the option general, open the option date and time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option of set automatically. Likewise, head back, go to the option VPN and device management, open it. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Now hit back, open the option iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Now hit back, go to the main page of settings, close this. Now open your app store, search for the app Geometry Dash. After it appears, make sure it is up to date. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. Heading towards next solution, open your settings. Scroll down, open the option general. Open the option software update. If any updates are available, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back, scroll all the way down, open the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on the option reset. Click on the option reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix geometry dash crashing on iOS 17. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.